NikkiHaddock.com and Back to Basics. Welcome back today for another segment in our cooking series. Today we're going to be doing an appetizer that you could do quickly in your Instant Pot, which is perfect for a New Year's Eve party. So it's a Pecan Apricot Baked Brie. So let's head over and give that a try. So we're ready to start off our Baked Brie. So all I've done is put a wheel of brie into a baking dish. And we're just gonna take a knife and we're just gonna score the top in a grid pattern through that top rind. Now that we've done that, we're going to put it in tin foil nice and tight. We're going to put it into our Instant Pot over a cup of water on the trivet. Put our lid on. Make sure our valve is set to seal. And we're going to pressure cook for 15 minutes. There we go. And once the pressure cook is complete, we're going to do a quick release. So we've brought our brie out of the Instant Pot. And one thing that I forgot to mention is a good step is to line your baking dish with tin foil so that it makes it easier to transfer the brie to your serving dish. So we've got the brie on our serving dish, and now we're going to mix up our topping. So we've got our apricot preserves, our pecans, and our about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And we're just going to mix that up. Okay, once that's well mixed, we're just going to put this on the top of our brie. Use a knife to just gently spread it out. Here we have our completed baked brie. It's a great appetizer, super simple, that you can make in your Instant Pot. Great for the holidays and perfect for New Year's. Hope you enjoyed today's segment. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the reminder button on your notifications so that you don't miss any future segments. You can find the recipe in the description of the video, and if you leave us any questions or comments, we'll be sure to get back to you. Happy New Year, and we'll see you back here in 2020.